This month, Linda Hunt from DeWitt, which is near Lansing, won Best in Show in the Innovation category in the American Pie Council Crisco National Pie Championships in Orlando.
That's a mouthful. There were 142 entries, and just for Action News, she's sharing her recipe for Laura's Sticky Toffee Pudding Caramel Apple Pie. That's another mouthful. Thank you so much for being here. You're Linda. It's called Laura's Pie. Who's Laura?
She's my twin sister.
Okay.
And she lived in Hong Kong, which was obviously really cosmopolitan, and she met someone from England there that shared this recipe with her. And so when she brought back home, I kept bringing pie, she kept bringing this, and so when the innovative category came up, it was like a natural to combine them.
So let's talk about this winning recipe.
Okay. You guys want to help me?
Sure.
Okay.
Love to.
So we've got butter.
Okay. So
real butter, unsalted. If you want to go ahead and add the flour new.
Okay.
And the brown sugar, go right ahead.
And that's just room temperature butter?
You know it is.
Okay.
Softened. So you definitely don't want it too hard. And then go ahead and add the egg.
Okay. Do I crack it in here or directly in there?
If you're not very good, you might want to do it in there.
She knows us well.
The less eggshell, the better.
You're like, this recipe doesn't call for eggshells.
We have that at the shop here and there. Okay, and then just a little bit, like pretty much half of the praline pecans.
Okay.
This is kind of a complicated recipe, but there's homemade caramel and things like that. If you don't want to have to do all that, then you can use like purchased caramel, not as good.
Okay.
A little bit of lemon juice.
We should note that you own a cafe and bakery out in DeWitt.
Oh, the cutest little pie shop in the whole wide world.
How long have you had
Everyone agrees once they get in. Boy, this is messy. I've had it for like 6 years.
Okay.
And
do you need the egg in there now, or is that later?
You know what I do? That would be awesome. I thought you put that in, Michael.
That's why we're having prom here, because I didn't do it.
Thank God you don't work with me.
Ouch.
So basically, you just get this incorporated, right?
Yes, you do. And then we're going to put it in a pie crust. And I freeze my pie crust so it's really cold. And if you come to a baking class, you'll understand why. But I can't really give up my secrets. I don't have enough time.
All the secrets being revealed.
We have baking classes at the shop. We have people from Detroit all the time.
Oh, that's great.
Okay. So this goes on the bottom.
Okay.
Old traditional recipes and a new twist, which is what we do at the shop. All my old cookbooks and all of that is my mom's recipes. It's based on that. So that was really easy for me.
Right now we're adding
the yummy Michigan apples, I might add. So we're not going to be making this much longer, guys, because our Michigan apples are gone. Till the fall. And homemade caramel. Does that look?
It looks
fantastic. So good. And then on top of that,
we get our amazing crumb topping. Now, we won the Food Network Pie Challenge a couple years ago, and according to the Food Network producers, they loved my crumb topping.
That is awesome. Talk about this competition down in Orlando. What it was like, how long you had to bake it.
It's really tough. You have to, you have to bring out, I ship all of my things down, and you have to bake a really good pie for the judges. Okay. So we're going to put it in the oven.
For how long and at what temperature?
400 degrees, depending on your oven. Some of them, are convection now, but so watch it. Since the apples are pre-cooked, and the recipe will say that, you don't have to cook it on, but we want it to bubble. That makes sure that it's all done.
And just real quick, what did you win?
Okay, we won $2,000, which was really lovely. And the biggest news is the recipe's going to be on the Crisco can.
That is fantastic.
Isn't that exciting?
That is huge. On a Crisco can.
I know. Which is really cute.
And this would be the final product right over here.
This is. You guys ready? Okay, so more, homemade caramel.
Looks great.
Fortunately, I can't taste it because it has pecans or pecans, however
Michael
you say
has that
it.
nut allergies.
I would have taken those off for you.
Wait, so you could do it without that one ingredient?
Yes, you can.
Not the same.
Because there are a lot of people with nut allergies, and it really won't matter.
All right, I'll have your share.
So Anu gets to eat the whole pie in a row.
I'm so heartbroken about it. Thank you so much. We're running out of time, but we want to make sure everyone knows that you can find this recipe on our website, WXYZ.com. Just check the Scene on 7 section.
Linda, congratulations on your success. That's terrific.
Thank you, Enjoy.
Thank you, I will.